Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things. Super glad to see you here today. Hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. That'd be super cool. Almost to 1,800 subscribers. Gonna have a big giveaway. By the way, I had an accident doing a video where I was testing out some food. If you haven't heard this before, if you have, sorry, but if you haven't, so I'm missing a tooth temporarily till I get one created for me by my dentist. So on with the show, you know, one monkey don't stop no show. So today we have Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which this will be my last month for having the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And it is heavy. Oh, it's because I got some really good add-ons in here. So my first add-on, actually my second add-on as well, is from Saturday Skin, and this is what I use every night on my face. It is the Yuzu Vitamin C Sleep Mask, and I adore it. It's a little gel, and it's got a great citrus scent to it. So I got two of those. They were on sale for 12 bucks a pop, which is fantastic. And I thought I got a third thing on sale, like in the add-ons. I'll have to see what we've got in here. Now, there's no card. Oh, yeah. There's no card in here, but that's okay. It's going to be BoxyCharm next month, and there will be a card, I hope. First off, I chose the KP Smoothing Lotion from First Aid Beauty, and this is got 10% AHA, so that helps exfoliate and adds moisture to your skin, and you can't go wrong with First Aid Beauty. Top quality stuff. They do have a lot of things with oats in it, which is terrible if you're sensitive to oats. And a friend of mine is. So that's the only bad drawback, is if you're allergic to oats. Sometimes they have oats in their product. Then we have from Josie Moran, Argan Retinol Eye Cream. I love having an eye cream. I've gotten an eye cream in every box so far that I've opened. So Allure had one, BoxyCharm had one, now I got another one. Is the world trying to tell me something? I do have a little bit of a dark circle. Oops. I did it again. Got dark circles. Getting new hair next week. I'm getting new nails next week. I cannot wait. So this is a nice little glass jar of eye cream, and that is super. I don't know how much it's worth. Sometimes I get the information about the prices. Sometimes I don't. So that's great. And this is one of my other add-ons, and this is a KVD Good Apple Concealer. And I got it in a very fair color. Let me see if my glasses will help. Light 103. Let's take a look and see how good of a match it is. Oh, I love the packaging. I like the foundation okay. It wasn't my favorite, but I've heard good things about this concealer. Ooh, it's nice and fair. Ooh, that's going to be a perfect concealer for me because I like my concealer to be lighter than my foundation. That's really light, but I think it's going to work out great. Very cool. So that was one of my add-ons. And then in my box, it also came with a one size concealer. So now I have a lot of concealer. And this is in Fair Light Neutral. And this is a very nice size. It feels very luxurious and heavy. And this is another great light neutral concealer. I'm going to have concealer for days. And this one matches my skin tone a lot better. But I don't mind having a super light concealer because it brightens your under eyes. So that's very cool. I don't remember how much the concealer was from KVD, but it was a good buy. Then we have from Tarte C, it's the H2O Balm. So it's a tinted balm, and it's in the color Room Service, which is a pretty mauve. Oh, it's very pretty. It's a beautiful color. And everybody loves a tinted balm, especially with the summer coming up. Something nice and light. Well, spring's coming first, but you know what I mean. And then from Bioma, a moisturizing rich cream. It's triceramide complex, shea extract, boosted barrier, second skin. And it says hydrate and restore, a rich moisturizing cream formulated with our triceramide complex plus a restorative blend of bacachol and shea extracts. So this sounds pretty good. I love a moisturizer, and this is a really cool package. So for my box, I got a moisturizer, a concealer, a tinted lip balm, a body moisturizer, and eye cream. So not too shabby, pretty good for my last Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I'm still going to be getting the regular Glam Bag, and I'll be getting BoxyCharm and BoxyCharm Plus or whatever. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'm still confused about what the different boxes are a little bit, but we'll find out soon enough. So thanks for being with me here today. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.